Hello, in front of me I've got Black Shark 5. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning let's enter Wallet and select Explore Wallet. From the homepage of this app you can add a card, learn about how to pay, and automatically add passes to Wallet from Gmail. Also you can enter wallet tips. Next we can add cards like payment card, transport pass, loyalty and gift card. And next we can go to contactless setup, where we can turn on NFC, set payment method, check if Google Pay is set as our default, if we've got a lock screen set, and if the phone meets security requirements. Next we can check full list of participating banks, enter password manager, when we can check passwords, set password checkup, enable or disable offer to save passwords, auto sign in, password alert, export passwords, add shortcut to your home screen, and then we can manage data in wallet. For example, we can manage payment data and passes data. Then we can go to wallet settings, and in here you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from wallet and Google Pay. Last things are help and feedback and access to your Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.